In this video, I'm going to teach you how to surf in Pokemon Brick Bronze. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get the hidden machine Surf. Surf is required to progress later on in the game, so getting it is actually quite simple. It is going to be given to you because, like I mentioned, it is mandatory for progression. So in Pokemon Brick Bronze, you will be able to get it after the Frost Veil Gym badge has been obtained. So the only required badge is going to be this one. And you will be able to get it within Port Deca. So when you reach Port Deca, you will have an encounter with Brad. Brad will give you information telling you that there are no sailors willing to bring you into the Crescent Islands with their boats. So with this said, you will have to surf into Route 17. So because of this, Brad will simply give you the TM for surf. So all that you have to do is progress in the game enough, and once you reach Port Deca, the surf HM will be given to you. You don't have to do anything special, just keep progressing through the game, and eventually you will get it. If you believe that you were supposed to get surf but you didn't get it yet, make sure that you meet the badge requirement and that you interact with Brad in the location. It is as simple as interacting with the NPC and you will be given surf. To actually use surf, you simply have to go into any body of water and tap on it or click on it to interact with that specific patch of water, and you will immediately begin surfing. Make sure that you teach it to a suitable Pokemon, usually water types, and you will be able to surf in Pokemon Brick Bronze. You can go to Route 17 and any other places that can only be accessed by teaching a Pokemon surf, and all that you have to do is make your way to Port Deca. I hope I was able to help you on how to surf Pokemon Brick Bronze. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.